Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv as you see and you will click here on this window. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.